channel, guys. Today we're just going to do a really quick video. I'm going to be making something very similar to this for the 4 U.S. World War I trench knives that I have. Just don't have a good place to put them or display them, so I'm going to do something real quick to display them a little bit better. This is me kind of just fiddling with a way to put them visually and just size-wise, how I wanted to do it. Just trying to get a measurement, which ended up being about 21 inches by 14 inches. I'm going to just cut 3 pieces of wood, 14 inches long each. Then I took those pieces of wood and cut them to a couple of random sizes just to give the wood a little bit of, so they weren't all the same size, just to make it look a little different. Using just a little pneumatic brad nailer, I cut a little piece to put on the edges to keep it all together. Throw in another little piece on the other side. Again, just arranging them how I originally was going to do it, but I ended up switching the design, as you'll see here in a second, and doing it a little bit different. And here you have the finished product.